How to save pictures on Snapchat without them knowing. So first things first is open up your Snapchat application and make sure that you're logged into your account. So the way we do it is basically open up the specific chat where you would like that photo to be saved to your gallery, in which you want them not knowing that you saved that picture. So the way you do it is basically turn off or turn on your airplane mode while you're currently on that chat, and then just tap and hold that specific picture, save to camera roll. Now the next thing to do is exit on your Snapchat application, and then in here, tap and hold on your Snapchat icon, hit on delete or uninstall the application, reinstall it back in, make sure that you're connected to the internet, and then once you make it back to log into your account, um, that specific person will not be able to know that you have saved that certain photo. So I believe that's pretty much it. That's the only way for you to be able to save pictures on Snapchat without them knowing.